Okay, once again we are back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Papi Mangu and Manguto Investment Bang. Okay, welcome to Mango Esters, man. Did you eat your mango today? I hope you did, man. I hope you did. Anyway, it's gonna be a short video again because honestly I'm getting pissed off. My stupid computer. There's always something going on. It's either I'm streaming instead or my space is low. I just cleared up some space, so we're not gonna get interrupted. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell so you get notified when I post content. Share this with your friends and family. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is educational and entertainment only. All right. If you follow anything that I say, make sure you're doing your research first. Make sure you do your research first. All right. Let's get right into it, guys. Bitcoin is the king of this market, guys. I'm just gonna say that right now. Bitcoin is the king of this market. Whatever Bitcoin does, everybody else follows sometimes, just sometimes, you know. But you guys gotta respect the Charles, the Bitcoin Charles. You gotta respect it. You gotta earn it. You gotta see what Bitcoin does, so you can see what everybody else does. Truthfully, respectfully, and honestly. Now, guys, Bitcoin is going to go into this apex right here. When you go into this apex, that'll decide if we go parabolic or not. And we just got to wait and see what goes on here. This is a short little bullish flag, guys. An ascending triangle going through this uptrend. And if we do go up, it confirms our uptrend. It confirms that we're going to be going up an uptrend, guys. And honestly, I'm all here for it. I'm really hoping we do get that uptrend that we're so desperately hoping for, guys. But you guys also gotta be wary. You also gotta be wary that we might come down a little bit because we had no type of, we don't really have any like red candle. We printed this small red candle here for the weekly chart, but it's only a small little red candle. We're not sure if that's gonna keep going down or not. People want it to go down because that's just historically how it's played out. We just go down before we go up. But honestly, we might just keep going straight up. I see us going down back to the 50s, to be honest. Consolidate between the 58s before we go up. People might bring it down. The whales might manipulate, something going on. So have your buy orders ready. If you're really bullish on Bitcoin, have your buy orders ready. Have everything ready to buy Bitcoin when it drops down below. I sure as hell have my buy orders ready. They're ready to go, guys. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. There's no way around it. I want Bitcoin to hit 100,000 by the end of this year. At least 100,000. And that's very conservative. That is a conservative statement, not only from me, but from the majority of just the crypto nation. Because guys, look at the RSI right here. This is the RSI, but then again, here's the WR. The WR determines if we're overbought or oversold. We were oversold right here. This is when we were at the 20,000s, and this is the 60,000s. Right now, it looks like we're coming down some. We might come down some, but at the same time, we could have this same pattern right here, where we just keep going up and make all these mountains. Look at this huge Bitcoin mountain, guys. Love to see it. But like I said, guys, we might come down before we go up. Might come down to the 50s before we go back up, guys. So just be mindful of that. Ethereum is primed and ready to go up, guys. We have a nice uptrend for Ethereum, guys. As you can see, look at that. Look at these bounces. It's just an uptrend, a straight uptrend going up. And it's only going to keep going until we reach this apex and then soon, eventually, hit 5,000. Could we hit 5,000 this weekend? Maybe. Just maybe. Next week? I think definitely. I think we definitely will hit 5,000 next week. We're speculating that 5,000, 70,000 Bitcoin and Ethereum next week. All right? That's my opinion. Don't take this to the bank. I'm taking it to the bank. I don't want you to take it to the bank. So be wary of that. Do your own research, guys. Before you make any financial decisions, do your own research. the Doge coins, the Doge, we're in this make or breaks point right here. So we could either cross here, go up, or cross down, go, consolidate back to the back to 23 cents. If we go back to 23 cents, I'm buying. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy, guys. Let's see. If we zoom back to the daily chart, we're in neutral territory. We haven't even gone up here yet. RSI, we're still in neutral territory. Everything's really in neutral. Everything's just looking neutral for my guy Doge, man. My guy Doge, man, it's just looking neutral. And honestly, I'm waiting to see what its next move is. It's just a waiting game at this point, guys. Just look at this chart, see it, feel it, determine it, make your predictions yourself. I'm doing the technical analysis so you don't have to. Guys. So you could see what I'm doing, see what I'm seeing, and make your own predictions yourself. Do your own research. Specifically do that. All right, let's check 88. 88, it tried to bounce up, tried to go up, and this was 2 days ago. It tried to go up 2 days ago, then we just retraced back into this apex. Now we're gonna get squeezed in here through the weekend until Monday or next week, and then hopefully I see us going all the way back up to $3 soon. Maybe back, well, we got to go to 210, 220, 230, 240. Man, ADA has just been messing up lately, man. But you got to be patient with ADA. I love ADA. Cardano is a great project, guys. When you see a project that is just doing nothing really. Let me fix this camera, guys. When you see a project that's like just doing nothing at all, it's just, just doing its thing, trading sideways. That's an indication that there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes. You gotta think behind the scenes. You gotta think long term. You think ADA is gonna stay there? ADA is not gonna stay there, man. ADA is primed to go back to its all-time high at $3, and by the end of this year, we'll see $5, maybe $10. The very least, we'll go to $5, and that's from where I bought. That'll 2x my money. That'll 2x my money, and I'll be more than happy. I'll be way more than happy. So we just gotta wait and see what goes on in here, in this little apex. Say we break up, we could go back to 220. We could go back to 220 before we see 230, and then keep going up, guys. All right, let's check the Sheepster. The Sheepster, it flipped bearish for the moment, but then, dude, it just immediately retraced itself. It retracted itself, and now it's just being bought up. It got bought up down here in this bottom. It didn't even go down to the 30s, guys. It went to the 40s, and then went up. Guys, I was very skeptical about this, but as soon as I seen it touch that purple line, I'm like, all right, I think it's about time that we, will possibly be going up. I bought a little bit in the 60s or 50s, but to be honest, in my opinion, as long as I buy below the 60s, I'm good. I'm all the way good, guys, because regardless, this is a long-term hold. This is a very long-term hold because Shiba Inu is not only a meme coin, but it has a lot of utility and use cases, guys. NFTs are on the Ethereum platform. The tokens are being burned every day along with Ethereums. What else? What else, guys? NFTs. You could buy NFTs with Shiba Inu. They make NFTs, all types of shit. Dude, there's a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of stuff in this project. And it won't be here for like the next decades or so. But honestly, enjoy it while it lasts. Who knows? Who knows what happens in the future? But just be wary, you guys. All right, let's check Solana. Solana, we're still high up, guys. We pumped up a lot. We pumped up a whole lot, and honestly, we could see us going back to truthfully, I could see us going back down to like 214, back to its old all-time high at 214. We could go down there. In my opinion, the very lowest we could go is 200 Solana. So just watch out for 200 Solana. Just look at this, see where it's going. You could see the lines, you can see the price actions. Make your own predictions. See, check the market out. We could keep bouncing off here. We could. Let me just draw us a scenario. Let's draw us a scenario of an uptrend that we could possibly see. if we don't bounce off this line, then we're gonna see further retracement at the 227, 220s. Yeah, I could honestly see it go. Like I said, I could honestly see it going down to the 220s, to the 215s, 220s, and before we go up, guys. So just watch out for that. We'll probably be flirting with this apex if we do confirm this uptrend, this uptrend right here. But if not, we'll continue this uptrend, which will be more bullish in my opinion. It'll be more bullish. But yeah, let's check out Matic, guys. Matic, where we broke down, but then we broke out of this triangle apex. And then now we're just trading sideways, to be honest, for Matic. I'm hoping we see some retracement. I'm actually gonna delete these two. Oh my god. I'm gonna delete these two lines now. We gotta make our new lines because now this is looking not bearish, but it's looking, you know, not too safe. It's not too safe. But you gotta have your lines in. Honestly, I'm gonna keep this purple line. We're gonna be going in between here until we hit our final destination over here. Hopefully we go back to $2. In my opinion, I hope we go back to $2. I see it happening. See it happening really soon, guys. So just watch out for Matic. See what it does. AMC, we're still going on this uptrend. We're still going up this red line. We'll be squeezed into this at 45. We'll see a lot of resistance at 45, to be honest. But that all depends. That all depends on what happens Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like I said, guys, note these days. These days are usually bullish for AMC and GameStop. If you're in GameStop too, usually bullish. I'm not in GameStop because honestly, I just don't like GameStop. I don't like their company and what they do, but it's just but I'm for the apes though. I'm for the apes. I hope you guys are making money off GameStop. People are telling me that they're making a lot of money. I'm like, congrats to you. I'm more bullish on AMC, to be honest. All right, let's check XRP. XRP, we're breaking down, guys. We're breaking down for XRP. But we reached a short-term high. But we didn't reach our purple line. We could see some retracement. We just gotta wait and see what goes on. Microsoft is seeing a red day, but we could still keep going up. We could still keep going up, but based on the RSI, based on the MACD, we could see a breather coming in, guys. Microsoft could get a breather, as well as Tesla. Tesla, we could see a breather. Guys, I'll be letting you guys know when Tesla and Microsoft, when I'll be getting into Tesla and Microsoft. You guys don't have to follow me or listen to me. Like I said, this isn't financial advice, but I'll be letting you guys know when I'll be going back in. Honestly, maybe at 1,000, back in the 900s, we'll see Tesla drop down to. Yeah, let's see, guys. Let's honestly hope and see what goes on. See if we could get my position back in Tesla and Microsoft, because I had a whole share of Microsoft and I had a whole share of Tesla at one point. But me being a noob investor, I'm not even going to quote it. I was a noob investor. I sold both of them. And didn't hold them long term. Especially Tesla. I did not hold Tesla for that long, which was my mistake. It was my huge mistake. It was a huge mistake in my end, guys. But anyway, man, that's besides the point. Let's check out the markets real quick. Move this over here. Cryptocurrencies, check the market cap. We're at 2.7 trillion. Bitcoin's just down. But last 7 days down 1%. It's a little boring. Ethereum up 1%. You see, outperformed Bitcoin by 2%. But it's cool. Binance Coin's been going crazy. Solana is, it's having its breather. Solana's having a breather now, guys. Cardano is just, ugh. I don't even like to see that. XRP is having a little breather. Polkadot doing some great moves, and now it's having its breather as well. Dogecoin down 10% in the last 7 days, and Shiba Inu down 15% in the last 7 days. Look at that. It regained 28%? 23%. It regained 23%, guys. That's how fast Shiba Inu moves, guys. Shiba Inu is a dude. Remember yesterday was just at 28 billion the market cap, guys. It was just at 28 billion. You see how fast this market moves? And you're sitting on the sidelines just missing out. Come on, guys. I don't like this. I don't want you guys to be missing out on anything at all. I encourage you guys to just, constantly be involved in this market, guys. This market is really great. Look at Chainlink. Chainlink is up. Chainlink has gone up, guys. This is very bullish news for Chainlink. I've been hearing some very bullish news for Chainlink. I haven't specifically done my research on Chainlink, but I have it in my portfolio, and there's a lot of use cases for Chainlink. It's a great project. It is a great project. Like I said, guys, remember XRP is gonna get wrapped. I was just looking at wrapped Bitcoin, and XRP is going to be wrapped soon. Guys, that is very bullish. That is a very bullish sign. Litecoin, I just sold my Litecoin. I don't like Litecoin anymore. Litecoin, this is very boring. But don't take if you like Litecoin, don't take that as advice from me. Don't be like, oh, he doesn't like Litecoin. I'll get out of it. If you like Litecoin, stay in Litecoin. Don't listen to anybody else. I just personally, I don't see a use for Litecoin. As you can see, the supply is running low for Litecoin though. Supply is running low, so if you do want to grab Litecoin, grab it. Grab it soon if you're bullish on it. Axie Infinity, I'm waiting for Axie Infinity to go down because I do want to get into Axie Infinity. Crypto.com went up 69%, guys. 69%. I have a very, very, very small portion of my portfolio in Crypto.com where I have like 34 cents, which is probably worth like 40 cents now. Yeah, my investment in Crypto.com is like worth 40 cents now, and that's what I use. I use Crypto.com. I use BlockFi. I use Crypto.com, guys. They're great platforms to buy and invest into cryptos. Phantom, I heard Phantom's really good, guys. I hope you guys are invested in Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is really good. I recently sold Ethereum Classic. Hopefully I don't regret that, but honestly, I needed to make some money back by doing some option plays, so I sold that. Hedera is taking HBAR is taking a breather because look at that pump right there. What else? Decentraland. I'm waiting for Decentraland to go down, guys. I am waiting for Decentraland to go down. Let's see if we could. No, we probably don't. Webull probably doesn't have Decentraland. Let's check in here. Let's check the markets. Check his all-time sheesh. Year today, year, 3 months, 1 month. Look at it a month apart, guys. If you literally just draw your own line, guys. Draw your own line, draw your own uptrend. Looks like it's breaking down below. But here we're still going on this downtrend. As soon as I spot a bottom for Mana, I'm getting involved. I'm getting involved in Mana because Decentraland is a great. The metaverse. Decentraland is the metaverse. The metaverse is really popping. The metaverse is popping, guys. I would highly suggest you guys figure out how to get involved with the metaverse. Because the metaverse is truthfully and honestly going to be the next big thing in the next couple years, probably even next year. Because remember, you want to know why Mana blew up? It blew up because because of what Facebook rebranded itself to, the metaverse. Guys, the metaverse is real and it's coming to us. It's coming. NFTs are real and they're coming, and they're gonna be very, 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 very used. It's gonna be utilized to an extent that you just won't even understand. That's why I'm personally gonna get myself into the metaverse and personally get myself into all this stuff, because honestly, it's great. It's great, and you'll learn a lot. You'll get a lot of money out of it. The next update will happen in an hour, so I guess in an hour we'll get an update for the fear and greed chart. It's still unchanged at 73%. Let's check the Bitcoin dominance chart. The Bitcoin dominance chart, guys. The Bitcoin dominance at 42%, guys. You see, this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying, guys. The Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Bitcoin dominance is dropping, which means money is flowing out of Bitcoin and into the altcoins. It's going into Ethereum, Dogecoin, ADA, all those other coins, guys. Guys, sheesh, man. I love it. I love it, guys. It's just, look at the guys. We're approaching altcoin season. We are approaching. Look at that. We are low-key approaching altcoin season. It could be altcoin month. In my opinion, it could be altcoin month. I mean, yeah, this month or next month in December, it could be altcoin month. I'm a firm believer in that. Just like I said, I don't know if I said yesterday, but Christmas is coming early. The altcoin season. The altcoin season is going to indicate that Christmas is coming early. Don't be surprised when it's November 16th and I'm dressed as Santa Claus in a bikini. That's how happy I'll be once we hit altcoin season, guys. But this has been moving more towards altcoins, and I couldn't be more bullish. Let's check altcoin month. You see, we just moved out of Bitcoin month. We just moved out of Bitcoin month, guys, and look at that. We're just almost there. We're still in our neutral territory. Could see some resistance right here at the 55%, 56. But guys, we're moving up. We're gonna hit altcoin season soon. I mean, altcoin month, and what's next month or this month could be altcoin month, given what happens in the markets. Yeah. Guys, I gotta show you some important information. Mayor of New York. Dude, the mayor of New York wants to get paid in Bitcoin. All these god dang ads, man. Like, get this out of my face. Look at that. You can't lie with headlines. New York Mayor-elect Eric Adams envisions crypto paychecks for all. This guy right here, as well as the mayor of Miami, there's all these other mayors as well. They want their state to accept Bitcoin, and they want to accept Bitcoin as well. He is on track to making New York a Bitcoin state. If New York, New York, you know how big New York is? Do you understand how big this news is? New York is a huge state. New York has legit the stock exchange. If we could get New York trading Bitcoin, you know how big that'll be? That'll be huge. Huge, I tell you. Huge, man. Like, shit. I'm all for it. I am all for it. Yeah, he wants his first three paychecks. I think he said first three. Yeah, you see? Adam announced in a Twitter post that he would take his first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin when he becomes mayor. Adam was responding to Miami Mayor Francis Suarez, who said he will also take his next paycheck in Bitcoin. Guys, you want to know what that means? That means these guys are buying Bitcoin. These guys are buying Bitcoin. What? How much do they get paid, guys? How much does a mayor get paid? I don't know how much they get paid, but let's look it up. How much does a mayor get paid? Get paid on average. How much do mayors take? Shit. All right, so there we go. Look at New York. New York. This guy. So 200. Let's do the math real quick. How am I gonna diverse this? So he wants his first 3 paychecks. I don't know how these guys get paid at all. I don't know if they get paid bi-weekly or weekly. But I'll say 200,000 divided by 52. So say he gets paid every week, he'll get for the first. So that's $3,800, $3,846 to be exact. Well, to be exaggerated, because I only put 200,000. Look, I'll show you. Look at. God, I need to like figure out this camera. Look at $3,846. Now times that by 3. So this is how much Bitcoin not Bitcoin, but this is how much in dollar amount he's getting for Bitcoin. So he's getting $11,000 worth of Bitcoin. I don't know how he do the math, but he's getting Bitcoin. Miners are getting Bitcoin, man. Let's see. Could we see Miami as well, or should I say Florida? Florida. Yeah, they don't get paid shit, so it's even less. But still, guys, this is huge news. This is huge news. Anyway, man, that's all I really had for today. I hope you guys learned something today, and I hope you take this, pass it along to a friend, let a friend your friends, your aunts, your uncle, your granddaughter, your granddad, your dad, your mom. I hope they all know about this. Tell them to watch till the end so they can see the news of the mayor, the news that I just spit out, guys. Because truthfully and honestly, there's no fucking way, man. There's no way we're all this bullish. Everyone's this bullish. And, one more thing. That was good news, but I gotta show you guys the bad news, too. SEC rejects. No, I don't want to F11. You know what the goddamn SEC did? They rejected a Bitcoin ETF. Let's go to the news. And this was today, right? I believe this was today. But the SEC, Dirty Gary Gensler and Helen the Felon Yellen, they are, and that stupid. I'm not gonna say. I was gonna say something very, very mean. But that Elizabeth Warren, man, I don't like Elizabeth Warren. Nobody likes Elizabeth Warren, man. But they're trying to not make Bitcoin anything. They're trying to destroy Bitcoin, guys. Look at first Bitcoin ETF. No, that's not it. There it is. The early enthusiasm for Bitcoin linked exchange traded fund, which is an ETF, a Bitcoin linked ETF. Someone submitted an application for a Bitcoin linked ETF. We have a futures contract ETF, which means that in the future, companies could invest into Bitcoin. But because this was rejected, we didn't see, it was just volatile today. It was a red day. But guys, if we get a spot ETF, a spot Bitcoin ETF, where literally banks could, institutions, banks, companies could buy Bitcoin from an ETF, when an ETF buys Bitcoin, and they just get exposure that way. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Let's just read. Bitcoin linked ETFs are booming. Could Bitcoin Fund be the next holy grail? No, this is probably SEC approves. You see, this is Dirty Gary Gensler. Where's the news where they said that they rejected the Valkyrie leverage Bitcoin ETF? This is a week ago. 2 hours ago. I don't know. But today I was reading along. They said that the SEC declined a spot Bitcoin ETF. And a spot Bitcoin ETF is an ETF that is directly linked to Bitcoin. So that means that if an institution wants that ETF, say they buy a share of that ETF, that means they're buying Bitcoin directly, so they could hodl it. Which that means there's gonna be trillions and billions of dollars flowing into Bitcoin. You know what that means when billions and trillions of dollars are flowing into Bitcoin? That means Bitcoin's going to 100,000, even more. People are saying as soon as a Bitcoin ETF, a spotted Bitcoin ETF is approved, it's just going to send Bitcoin beyond 150,000, probably 200,000, 400,000, 500,000. I'm just throwing these numbers out there, but honestly, in my opinion, the very, very top of this bull run, we're going to see Bitcoin at 400,000, 500,000, possibly before we crash down. Before we crash down, we might see 400, 500,000 Bitcoin. And that's the bottom line because Stone Cold said so. If I raped your ear, my bad. But this is just how excited I am about this market, guys. We have to take control, guys. We have to take control. And also, not only that, but this guy, Dirty Gary Gensler, he's denying that. He's saying that stable coins are a security. They're not a security. Like Helen the Felon saying that there's no proof that stable coins are useful for spending, but they are. They literally are. Like there's not one point where a stable coin died off. Possibly in the future, but the ones that are in right now, like Tether, US dollar coin, they're literally linked to the dollar. They are literally linked to the dollar. What else more do these people need? I don't get it. I don't like the SEC is just stupid. The SEC is stupid in all the wrong ways. I don't understand it, man. These guys are just puppets. They're puppets because the banks and the financial institutions they're not trying to have Bitcoin overtake their market. It's sad to see, guys. It's very sad to see. But anyway, I'll leave it off here. Sorry for the bad news, but you guys have to get the bad news. I've only been giving good news, but here's the bad news. The bad news is that the SEC does not like Bitcoin at all. They don't like Bitcoin. They don't like cryptocurrency. They want it gone. They want their money to continue, which is not working. Their money is not working, and we're one way or another. Everything they're doing is just gonna get them in more trouble. So the SEC better figure out what the fuck they want to do, because at this point, it's either up to them or up to the people. And the power of the people, is stronger than a whole bunch of than a government. We could literally overthrow this government, guys. Overthrow this government, and they can't do nothing about it. What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Go to war with the people? If they go to war with the people, what do you think's gonna happen? I don't know. It's a whole bunch of McGill. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys got a lot of information from this. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Leave down a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to hear, what you guys want to see. If you have any news to share with me, just let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know your thoughts. You guys don't really comment on my stuff, so I'm allowing you guys to just speak freely and let me know what's going on, guys. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys have a great night and a great weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy your night. I love you all. Eat your mango with extra avocado and eggs, guys. Lately we haven't been having avocado, so get an avocado just in case. Just in case, get an avocado. All right. See y'all out.